today we're looking at this mechanical keyboard. It's the IK880 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. It's by this company szforder.com. So you can look them up. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what we've got. Alright, so we've got our user manual. This is a Chinese company. It's a really affordable keyboard, so I'm anxious to see how it performs, because to get a mechanical keyboard at this price point is a real bargain. It's got a completely metal framing, and it feels awesome. It's got a real nice feel to it. Looks like plastic backing, and then a pretty snazzy nylon cord for your USB port. So let's plug it in and show you some of the features. Okay, so one thing that's kind of fun about this keyboard is when you don't have the lights on and you use a letter, it will light up just for a second after you use it. So as you're typing, it will kind of just light up your letters, which is kind of cool. Okay, so you can see the keys are the blue cap keys, which are a little loud. So you may or may not like that. Most gamers actually really like the click, so it's good. They're consistent keys, they feel good, and really thick caps, which is nice. If we look, there's a bunch of different color options. So you've got your normal light up, or it's waving in and out. This is just lighting up as you click. I think there's 10 different modes. You see that the keyboard itself, it's metal, it's nice and heavy. It's water resistant, so spill proof. You can spill water on this and it's not going to fry it. And then it's $43 right now on Amazon, so it's a budget mechanical keyboard, but so far so good. It feels great and works really well. So a good deal if you're looking at a lower end mechanical keyboard. A great value for that price.